Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock WhatsApp chat on iPhone or Android. Guys, if you want to lock WhatsApp chat on iPhone and Android, then keep watching this video till the end. Firstly, open WhatsApp app. Click on chats. Click on contacts you want to lock. Scroll down and click on chat lock. Lock this chat with passcode. Toggle on it. Enter your Android passcode. Click on View in pop-up window. Your chat has been locked. Then scroll up. Click on Lock Chats. Enter your Android password. It's same process on iPhone. Click on contacts you want to lock chats. Scroll down and click on Chat Locks. Lock this chat with Face ID or lock this chat with Touch ID. Toggle on it. In this way you can lock WhatsApp chat on iPhone. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.